Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is using the Chasing Rainbows palette from ColourPop. I absolutely love how this look came out. Kind of still going with my Valentine's Day theme. This is perfect for Valentine's Day if you want something a little more smoky and dramatic and not as soft as the other look that I did. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Chasing Rainbows palette, then keep watching. Alright, first going in with Woke on my Morphe M441 brush. I am just popping that in the crease. This is just a really pretty like pinky peachy shade, but it is perfect for the crease. I love it. Next I'm going in with Woke and Prism and just putting this in the crease, and I really tried to focus Prism on the outer V first and then just blend it into the crease. This took a lot of blending because I didn't want it to be super harsh, so I just blended it out a whole lot, and I think it looks really pretty in the end. Let me know what you guys think once you're done watching the tutorial, because I would love to know. Next on the Morphe M441, I'm just taking Prism by itself and just really deepening up the crease and focusing it in the crease as best as I can, just because I really wanted the crease to just be a little bit deeper. And then I'm going in with my Morphe M330 and just blending everything out. I think that's the M330. Next I'm going in with Eclipse, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Oh my god, I literally said oh my god as I was filming this out loud. It is so pretty on the lid. I love it. This is with my finger, so God only knows what it looks like when you use a wet brush, because it's stunning. Next I'm going in with Prism again, and I'm taking this little dome brush from e.l.f. and just really focusing it on the outer V just to really blend everything together. And I also used Prism on with my finger too, just to really blend the two shades together. So I'm going back in with Prism, and I'm pretty sure this is where I'm using my finger. Yes, it is. And just again blending the two shades together just so it looks nice and flawless. So next I'm going in with my Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner. I forgot to show it. This was the first time I ever used this eyeliner, and oh my god, it was so jet black and so good. Highly recommend this. I don't remember how much it was, but I got it from Walmart, so it was really cheap. But I think the shape really helped getting that wing like perfect. So now I'm just gonna go finish up the rest of my face off camera, and here I am. I added mascara and all that fun stuff. So next I'm just going in with my lips. So I'm doing 915 from the ColourPop and I Love Sarahi, the Ultra Satin Lip, and then I'm putting Curvy, the lip gloss, on top. I'll link everything down below. So off camera I added a little bit of Prism under my along the lower lash line, just a little bit, and I added my mascara, which was the Buxom Lash Mascara and my CoverGirl So Lashy. I just haven't been showing them because I feel like it's too repetitive. So now I'm patting off 915. Is it 915 or 951? One of those two. Just because it's very pigmented and it's a lot. And just adding Curvy on top. Such a pretty lip combo. I love it. Absolutely love it. Filming the lip was hard because I kept looking at the TV. I've been watching Empire and it's just so good. And this is the finished look. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!